What is going on, guys? I myself, Duarte, we're very excited to be introducing to my channel our two new project cars, which are 190Ds.
Oh, a Benz!
Here in the beautiful hometown of Portugal. I have a 1993 190D equipped with a 2-liter diesel engine. Duarte has a 1990 190D, which is equipped with also a 2-liter diesel engine, making 75 horsepower.
For mine, I'm gonna be kinda restoring it, make it look good. Silver, 190D, 2.0 diesel, 5-speed, as well as Hollands. But they work great. Look. Yeah, amazing.
Absolute war machines. We have some content coming up. We're getting very excited. Let's take a look at this engine.
Strong.
This is a traditional Mercedes tank engine with an EGR. Duarte's is an earlier model without EGR.
Which is better.
Something really cool. Both of these cars are equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission.
It's more common to have a 4-speed. My interior is my favorite part because it's a Sportline interior.
Duarte's interior is actually in like legendary condition.
I got original Mercedes.
Oh, a Benz floor mats. Wow, those are sexy, Duarte. Those are very sexy. But my interior is not so bad. Is absolutely chooched. The other seats, not so bad. My shifter also super loose and chooched. Maybe we got a little bit of something coming for that. It's actually pretty funny that myself and Duarte, both of our cars, have almost the exact same problems on both cars. His car being a little bit older than mine, my car being 3 years newer.
But mine has less kilometers, grandpa driven. But look.
Welcome to a brand new series where we're gonna be building these 190Ds.
Oh, a Benz!
I don't know, maybe a little bit of boost, maybe not. Typically, people who are buying these cars or who are building these Mercedes typically want the OM606 engine.
Or OM605.
But more traditionally, I think the rest of the world knows the OM606.
Yeah, the 605 is the 5-cylinder version of the OM606.
Why do people like that engine? Number one, it is incredibly overbuilt. It's incredibly strong. And it also is a really good powerhouse. We're working with the OM601s, which don't make any power, super reliable engine. Actually, I think my favorite part about this car is actually the experience while driving it. It's not like a typical car where you just hop in, you go, and you're driving around and you don't even think about it. I've been driving mine for 2 weeks now, and I've noticed like the fuel is like really good. Both I and Duarte, we've been talking about buying project cars for almost half a year now.
Yeah.
Talking a lot of smack, you know, BMW E30s, blah, different matching cars. And it just came down to the fact that both of us love this platform. And it's a really unique car, especially now in good condition. The value of these cars is going up and up and up. I'm going to daily drive mine.
I'm gonna daily drive mine as well.
Yeah.
It's a nice cruiser.
It's not fast by any means. It is not a fast car, but man, is it fun to drive.